580SV Evolution is backed up by a full range of case service solutions, including extended warranty and planned maintenance packages, fluid analysis, maintenance kits and connectivity tools. Customers can also benefit from myCASEConstruction, a dedicated app and portal that goes beyond traditional fleet management. This solution transforms the way customers interact with their equipment, operators and dealers, helping them to make informed business decisions and maintain control over operational costs. The app also offers insights, job site management tools and performance reports, all accessible in one place. With Case, connectivity and intelligence come together to drive your business forward, maximizing efficiency in every step of the way.